Hey TikTok fan, if you have been liking a ton of videos but now want a clean slate, you might be wondering how to delete all your liked videos at once. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a built-in feature for this. But don't worry, I'll show you the quickest way to clear your liked videos. So let's jump in. First, it's important to know that TikTok doesn't currently offer a bulk unlike feature. You will need to manually unlike each video for now, but I'll share a few tips to speed this up. Uh, Here's the step by step. Open TikTok, then tap the profile icon. Now tap the heart icon to view all your liked videos. Open the each video and tap the heart again to remove the like. Um, Repeat this for each video until you liked video section is clear. If you have hundreds of thousands of like videos, this can be a bit tedious. You can try using automation tools or script if you are tech savvy, but be careful. This can sometimes violate TikTok's terms and service and put your account at risk. Going forward, consider being more selective with your likes to avoid the hassle in the future. TikTok might add a bulk unlike feature eventually, but until then, a little planning can save you a lot of time. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more TikTok tips.